Hey guys, so in the last video, I showed you how to choose your niche and how to also get ideas from trending novels as a ghostwriter so that you can be able to start your own journey as a ghostwriter, so you can start writing your own novels. So today I'm going to be introducing to you 3 websites that I'm going to recommend for beginner ghostwriters especially, and the benefits that they have for ghostwriters. So the first website is going to be Readom. So this website is, I recommend it for beginners because the threshold for the word that they need before they can start paying you is small. Okay, look at it. You could apply for signing a contract when you upload body text with more than 3,000 words. So other platforms take at least 30,000 words, take at least 10,000 words, 15,000 words. But this one is taking 3,000 words. And so the threshold, the application threshold is better than most of them. And then you can continue applying for bonuses when you're publishing more than 30,000 words in your body text. You can also apply for bonus when publishing more than 50,000 words in your body text. So that is for completed stories, 50,000, you see. So it's less, trust me, it is much more less than other platforms. Other platforms are going to be giving you some big things, like big numbers. So this one is actually good. So if you like this one, because I'll recommend it especially for beginners, then you should totally sign up. Signing up is easy. It's very easy, trust me. So the next platform we're going to go to is Novelcat. All right, so this Novelcat, let's check. You need only 5,000 words to apply for a contract. So this one is still low-ish. It's still a bit low. At least it's not up to 15. It's not up to 20K. It's just 5,000. So that one is better. That's what I'm going to be recommending for beginners because it's 5,000 words. Others will take more than that. And now you can see the benefits that you gain as a publisher, as a writer, and you can even start applying for contracts immediately. Your book starts reaching for 5,000 words. So that one is better. You can also go through this one and check if this is actually what you want or not. Now the next one I'm also going to recommend is Readict Novel. Okay, so the writer's benefit for this one is not really mentioned like that, but you can work for hire program, meaning that it's also called the ghostwriting program, meaning that you have to submit or a client and write a book that is made tailored to an audience for a specific book. Others, you write those books, but those books come from your ideas. This work for hire program is like according to whatever the audience required of you, that's what you're going to write. That one is, so they didn't specify exactly how much, or even if they did, I'm not seeing it here. Then call for license ongoing program. You can receive up to $500 for signing bonuses. All right. Books have been successfully licensed as expected to be updated at least 5 times a week, 2 chapters per time, 10 chapters a week until completion. This is is also good in a way. So it's like the requirements are better. Now, so this one is good, but it's like once your book have reached 10K words, so that means your book has to reach up to 10K word count before you can start receiving some money. And not only that, you have to be able to they have to apply. Your book has to reach like the requirements, meaning that if your book is nice and it's up to 10K words, then that is when you're going to start getting some $150 for your book. Okay, every week, 4 consecutive weeks for a single book update, no less than 7 chapters every week. This one, Shasha, is like, but it depends on you. So you have to go through it and check out. Now, if you become better, if you start like, developing good performance, strong performance, you start getting much more. So it all depends on you and your capabilities. This is basically the last website I'm going to recommend. So anyone that you need, you just sign up, and it is very, very easy you can write a book on your own, or you can write it on their platform. Okay. But if you already have like some materials that are written, then you can just publish it. But if you want to write it inside their platform, then that one is also there. You can do that one too. So I'm basically done. The next video, I'll be teaching you how to write without using these platforms. You're going to be using Canva to write your book. So till then, bye.